We're going to be drawing this cute little baby manatee. Yes, we are. This is my little baby manatee. And it's part of Baby Animal Month, and you can check out the whole playlist of baby animals in the description below. So let's get started. To draw this manatee, you're going to need some plain white paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a black pen. We're going to start off our baby manatee with an oval here on the left-hand side of the page. So just very lightly in pencil, just sketch out an oval shape. Doesn't have to be perfect, just something that looks vaguely like this. This is just the preparatory shape that we're going to do, just to help us draw the rest of the details later. Okay, now we're going to be drawing another oval shape that's a bit bigger here to the right-hand side of this smaller one. So the next oval shape is going to be about 1.5 times the size of this one. So roughly measuring with my fingers, I'm going to draw a dot here, measure with my fingers, little dot where it comes up to, and then I'm just going to do a little bit more, so about there. As you can see, I'm not doing accurate measurements. That's because I'm just using this as a guideline. So remember, yours doesn't have to be that accurate. Just try and draw these simple shapes, and these can be our guidelines. There we go. Now I'm going to add the tail. So down here, I'm going to be drawing a line that comes down, turns to the right, and then comes back up again. Okay, now I'm going to be drawing the mouth. So just here, a little mouth like that, and the eye, just here. And then we're going to be doing the limbs. So one here, just going to draw it coming all the way down and all the way up. And then from here, on this oval shape, we're going to be drawing a line coming downwards, and then it just comes up slightly. And there are our guidelines. Now I'm switching to pen, but please carry on in pencil. It's just so that you can see it better on camera. So we're going to start off with this lovely little mouth here. So I'm just going to draw a little mouth just like this. And then just one line going up and one line going down. And then we're going to be doing the muzzle area. So did you know that manatees are distant relatives of the elephant? I didn't know that. Okay, now we're coming round the top of the head, slight dip, and then we're just going to follow this oval shape that we did before. And then just keep on following this oval shape all the way down. Did you know that a baby manatee is called a calf and weighs about 66 pounds or 30 kilograms when it's born? That's pretty heavy, isn't it? So just coming down, I'm going to be doing the tail, so it goes inwards a little bit more. Then now for the tail area. Just going to bring this tail round. Another really interesting thing that I found when I was researching them is that a newborn calf is actually capable of swimming all the way up to the surface on its own so that it can catch its first breath. It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, so here we've got lots of wrinkles, so we're just going to draw a few lines coming round. So one line going up like that, and then we're going to do the same. Just leave a little gap where we're going to be drawing the limbs. Another one here. And then this one goes all the way up to the top. To about there. Now we're going to be coming down from the mouth. So it's got like a big chin. It's got like a big old double chin, if you can imagine that. And then this one has a marking that goes all the way up like that and comes round like so. Okay, then one more double chin and goes in like that. They've got loads of wrinkles. That's why they look so much like elephants. Okay, there's another marking just here, and then one here, and then two little folds of skin there just by the mouth. Now we're going to be doing this limb here, so just coming all the way down, comes down like that, and then up and touches the body just there. Okay, we're going to be doing this one here as well. So here at the shoulder area, comes round like this. It's a little bit wider at the bottom. Then it goes inward here, and then round like so. There's a little crease underneath the arm, another little crease there, and one like that. Then we're just going to draw some little wrinkles on the end of here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A little bit on the underside here. And now for the eye area. So it's literally just an oval shape, like this, like that. And we're just going to add a little dot into the middle there. So I'm now going to erase all the pencil lines, and if you haven't gone over it already in pen, go over it in pen now and then erase the pencil lines. Now I'm just going to add some details, so just a line coming down here and across. So calves can vocalise soon after birth, and this form of communication is really important for mother and calf bonding. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a few more wrinkles around the eyes. Just one there. Just going to extend that one, make that little dot a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to add some more wrinkles on the forehead here. Just like that. And then another little wrinkle here. And one there. Like I said, they're super wrinkly. Now we're going to be adding one more wrinkle just here. And just following on from that line, I'm just going to carry on that wrinkle, just coming upwards. And the same with this one too. There we go. I'm now going to add some shading. So underneath here, I'm just going to add a bit more shading to make the mouth slightly darker. Just like that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of dark just down here, making this line a little bit thicker, so I'm going over it again. Just because it's on the underside of the baby manatee, so that side doesn't get much light. If you can imagine, the light source is coming from above the water. So all under here is in shadow. And especially under here. I'm actually going to just draw some lines diagonally just to show the shadow just down here, and a few under here, just like that. And on this fin here, I'm going to add some thicker lines under here and a little bit under the chin. Just going to make it a little bit darker just around the arm area here, just to show that there's a fold of skin there. And then last but not least, a little line just coming up here. And there we have our finished baby manatee drawing. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, you're going to absolutely love this video. And don't forget to check out the playlist of all the other baby animals that we've been doing. So hit subscribe and like, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.